Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Kids emergency phone is probably one of the most essential gadgets parents can invest in for their children's safety and independence, offering a lifeline for communication when they're away from home, whether at school, on a playdate, or exploring the neighborhood, ensuring peace of mind for both you and your little ones. Number 5. ZOLEO Satellite Communicator. Stay connected anywhere in the world. Use it with your smartphone to send messages and emails over the Iridium satellite network, cellular, or Wi-Fi, always using the most affordable network available. In case of an emergency, send an SOS alert with your GPS location to a 24/7 monitoring center. You can also access medical assist for non-emergency help. Feel more secure on your adventures with optional travel risk management coverage. This add-on offers immediate medical coverage for safe extraction and transportation. You'll have your own dedicated SMS number and email. This allows your contacts to reach you directly, even when you're off the grid. Send unlimited check-ins with your GPS location included in every message or check-in. You can also share waypoints at regular intervals. It's built to last, with superior durability and over 200 hours of battery life on a single charge. What we like? This device offers unparalleled global satellite messaging, ensuring you're always connected, even off the grid. Its emergency SOS feature provides peace of mind for any adventurer. If you frequently travel to remote areas or engage in activities where cell service is unreliable, this is your lifeline. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for days on a single charge. The GPS tracking is accurate and provides real-time location updates. It has a simple interface that even young children can navigate easily. Number 4. TEZILON 4G Kids GPS Smartwatch. Discover the TEZILON 4G Kids GPS Smartwatch, designed for your child's safety and connection. It's packed with features to keep you informed and your child entertained. Always know where your child is with real-time GPS tracking. You can easily check their location through a dedicated app on your mobile phone, providing peace of mind. This watch allows for both voice calls and video chats, so you can connect with your child anytime, anywhere. It's also waterproof, so no need to remove it for handwashing or playing in water. In case of any danger, your child can alert you instantly with the one-touch SOS button. It automatically dials emergency contacts, ensuring they get help quickly. Unlike many other GPS watches, this device utilizes a 4G network, ensuring reliable connectivity. This is crucial as older 2G networks are being phased out. Ensure your child stays focused during school hours with the silent mode or class mode. This feature prevents distractions from the watch during learning time. This smartwatch is an ideal gift for boys and girls aged 3 to 15. It's a thoughtful present that combines fun, safety, and connectivity. What we like? This watch provides real-time GPS tracking and two-way video calls, keeping parents connected to their children. It supports the latest 4G network, ensuring reliable communication. If you're a parent looking for a safe and connected way for your child to explore their independence, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several days on a single charge. The GPS tracking feature is accurate and reliable, providing peace of mind. Number 3. Emergency Wall Telephone, Red. Introducing our emergency wall telephone in a vibrant red. This device is designed for immediate assistance when you need it most. It comes pre-programmed to automatically dial 911 in case of an emergency. You can also program it to dial any other important number. This phone works seamlessly with any analog phone line that is FSK or DTMF compatible. Enjoy broad compatibility with your existing setup. Thanks to its EEPROM technology, your programming is safely stored and retained even if the device is disconnected from the phone line. It's powered directly by the telephone line, so no external power source or adapter is required. This ensures it's always ready to go. Installation and reprogramming are straightforward. It includes a wall plate and easy-to-follow do-it-yourself instructions for a hassle-free setup. What we like? This emergency phone is designed for simplicity and reliability, automatically dialing 911 with a single touch. It requires no external power, drawing energy directly from the phone line. If you need a straightforward, dependable emergency contact solution for a fixed location, like a home or office, this is ideal. What people say. The watch is very easy to set up and use, even for a child. The GPS tracking is accurate and reliable, allowing parents to see their child's location in real time. The SOS button is a great safety feature, allowing the child to quickly call for help in an emergency. Number 2. Kids' toy phone for girls 3 to 10. Is your child always reaching for your phone? This toy phone is a fun and safe alternative designed just for them. It lets them explore and play independently. Long journeys can be tough, but this toy keeps them entertained with games, music, and a camera. It's a great travel companion, no Wi-Fi needed. Let their creativity shine by letting them take pictures anytime, anywhere. It's a simple way to encourage their imagination and keep them engaged. Whether it's quiet time or active play, this toy provides independent fun. It's a great way to keep them entertained without the overload of a real phone. It's lightweight, easy to use, and built for durability. This toy is made for comfortable everyday play, ensuring frustration-free fun for your child. What we like. This is a fun and safe toy phone designed specifically for young children, offering games, music, and a camera. It doesn't require Wi-Fi, making it perfect for travel. If your child loves mimicking adult phone use but you want a safe, engaging alternative for entertainment and creative play, this is a great option. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up, perfect for kids. The battery life is surprisingly good, lasting for a full day of use. The GPS tracking feature is accurate and provides real-time location updates. Number 1. Holy Stone HS-190 Foldable Mini Drone. This drone is designed for effortless fun, featuring simple one-click takeoff and landing. Its exciting 3D flips add an extra layer of thrill to every flight. Enjoy a stable and carefree flight thanks to altitude hold and headless mode. These features make it incredibly easy for beginners and kids to pilot. It offers 3 different speed modes, from low to high. This allows pilots of all skill levels to customize their flying experience. Safety is paramount with propeller guards protecting little hands. An emergency stop function ensures it lands immediately if needed, reducing risk. This mini drone folds up compactly, fitting easily into your pocket or bag. It's the perfect portable companion for indoor and outdoor adventures, and a great gift. To avoid interference when flying multiple units, power on and pair each drone and its remote control separately. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted experience. What we like. This mini drone is incredibly user-friendly with features like altitude hold and multiple speed modes, making it perfect for beginners. Its foldable design makes it highly portable for adventures. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-fly drone for kids or beginners that's also compact enough to take anywhere, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The phone is very easy to set up and use, even for young children. The GPS tracking feature is accurate and reliable, allowing parents to always know their child's location. The SOS button is a great safety feature, allowing children to quickly call for help in an emergency. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.